Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up to 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 5 best smart weather station on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon that you and your friends will absolutely love. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below.
Number 5. The AcuRite Atlas Professional Weather Station packs a full suite of environmental sensors: temperature, humidity, wind speed direction, rainfall, UV, and light intensity, delivering accurate, up-to-date data for weather-savvy homeowners. The direct-to-Wi-Fi HD display is bright and easy to read, offering smooth integration with online platforms like Weather Underground or My AcuRite for remote monitoring. Built-in barometric pressure tracking and a forecasting algorithm add useful context, helping you anticipate upcoming weather. The optional lightning detection module gives extra peace of mind, alerting you to nearby storms within a 25-mile radius. Setup is straightforward, and once installed, your station becomes a comprehensive weather hub, great for garden planning, outdoor work, or simply keeping tabs on local conditions. A top pick if you want professional-grade weather data at home.
Number 4. The AcuRite Iris 5-in-1 delivers a solid mix of convenience and versatility, monitoring temperature, humidity, wind speed and direction, and rainfall, all with Wi-Fi connectivity to Weather Underground for remote access. The color display is easy to read, and the system updates every 18 to 36 seconds, giving near real-time weather info. Installation is fairly simple, and the sensor's weather-resistant build makes it suitable for outdoor use. For everyday monitoring, garden care, outdoor planning, or basic home weather tracking, the Iris is a practical choice. On the downside, some users report occasional inaccuracies with rain measurements and wind direction calibration. Still, for the price point and range of data it provides, the Iris remains a competent, accessible weather station.
Number 3. The Ambient Weather WS2000 Smart Weather Station brings dependable, real-time weather tracking right to your home or garden with a modern edge. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and remote monitoring mean you can check temperature, humidity, wind, and rainfall from anywhere using the app. Alerts for changing conditions like rain or wind are a helpful touch, especially if you want to stay ahead of unexpected weather. The data is accurate and refreshes often, giving you a reliable snapshot of outdoor conditions at any time. Setup is straightforward, and the station feels sturdy enough to handle everyday outdoor exposure. I found the interface user-friendly and the app convenient for at-a-glance updates. For anyone looking to keep tabs on the weather, whether for gardening, outdoor plans, or just curiosity, the WS2000 offers a smart, connected, and easy-to-use solution.
Number 2. The Ambient Weather WS5000 is an impressive and reliable choice for anyone serious about tracking the weather. Its ultrasonic sensors deliver accurate readings for wind speed and direction, far more consistently than older mechanical anemometers. It also tracks temperature, humidity, rainfall, and more, giving a comprehensive view of local conditions. Setup is surprisingly simple, and the station is built tough to withstand heavy rain and wind without a hitch. The data updates frequently and syncs well with companion apps or cloud platforms, so you can monitor conditions remotely with ease. I found the interface intuitive and the readouts clear, even for casual users. Whether you're gardening, planning outdoor activities, or just enjoy keeping an eye on the weather, the WS5000 offers professional-grade precision in a durable, user-friendly form.
Number 1. The Ambient Weather WS5000 Ultrasonic Smart Weather Station is a well-designed, all-in-one device that brings reliable, detailed weather monitoring into your home or backyard. It delivers accurate readings of wind speed, wind direction, temperature, humidity, rainfall, and more, all with ultrasonic sensors for enhanced precision. The display is clear and easy to read, and the data refreshes quickly to keep you up to date. Installation is straightforward. Once set up, it syncs smoothly with companion apps and supports cloud-based tracking and historical data logging. I appreciate how robust and weather-resistant the unit feels. It withstands rain and wind with no issues. Whether you're an avid gardener, weather enthusiast, or just want to keep track of changing conditions, the WS5000 is a smart, durable station that offers professional-grade insight in a home-friendly package.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.